Many people notice health issues as they get older. Their eyes feel dry or blurry in the morning, they need stronger glasses, and they may feel more forgetful or foggy in the mind. High blood pressure or spikes can make you worry too. You might think this is just old age, but often your body is trying to warn you about chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, silent problems that build up slowly over the years. Inflammation here is like a very low burn inside your body, and oxidative stress is like rusting from unstable molecules damaging cells. These hidden issues can hurt the tiny blood vessels in your eyes and brain. Many seniors face symptoms like dry, blurry vision. Eye tissues are sensitive to damage. Brain fog and memory slips. Nerve cells need good blood flow and nutrients. Tiredness or low energy. Cells need oxygen and good fuel. High or fluctuating blood pressure. Inflammation can make vessels stiff or narrow. Health experts have found that age-related problems often tie back to this long-term inflammation and cell damage, not just bad luck. For example, one news report noted that a regular baking soda drink helped lower inflammation markers in the body. By tackling these root causes with simple foods, many people find they can feel sharper and steadier over time. Below, we explain a natural morning drink made from 4 kitchen ingredients: baking soda, lemon, ginger, and honey, that may help your eyes, mind, and circulation feel better over time. Why inflammation and rust matter. Your body naturally fights invaders with inflammation, and it uses antioxidants like vitamin C to neutralize harmful free radicals, these unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress. Over decades, however, even mild inflammation and oxidative stress can slowly damage sensitive tissues, especially in your eyes and brain. Free radicals can attack cells in the eye lens and retina, leading to cloudiness or blurred vision. In fact, our eyes concentrate vitamin C, an antioxidant, at levels 15 to 20 times higher than blood, hinting at how important it is to protect eye cells. When antioxidant levels fall, for example, as we age, more damage can occur. Thus, giving your body extra antioxidants and anti-inflammatory support each day can help protect your vision, memory, and nerves. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is the first ingredient in this drink, and it has surprising effects when taken internally in a small dose. Researchers reported that drinking a mild baking soda solution daily helped reduce harmful inflammation markers in the body. In simple terms, baking soda tells your body that there is no urgent threat, so it dials down the low-level inflammation signals. It also balances pH. When your blood is too acidic, cells don't work right. A pinch of baking soda in warm water can gently neutralize excess acid, helping your cells to absorb nutrients better and your immune system to work smoothly. In fact, baking soda is even used by doctors in small doses to treat kidney patients. It safely lowers blood acidity in trials. How to use. Start with about a quarter teaspoon of baking soda in 8 to 10 ounces of warm water, not boiling. Stir until it dissolves. Use aluminum-free, food-grade baking soda, for example, Arm & Hammer brand. Store it in a dry container away from moisture or odors, so it stays fresh. Why modest amounts? A little goes a long way. Too much can upset your stomach or add extra sodium, so keep it small. The goal is a gentle effect, not to over-alkalize your body. Many seniors find that this small morning habit helps them wake up feeling a bit lighter. It's like giving your body a soft reset, so oxygen and nutrients flow more freely. Lemon, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Next comes lemon juice, which brings vitamin C and a bright flavor. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects your eyes and cells from damage. Our eyes rely on antioxidants to fight free radicals. In fact, eye fluid normally has much more vitamin C than blood. Studies have shown people with higher vitamin C intake or levels tend to have clearer eye lenses and less risk of cataracts. Vitamin C also strengthens tiny blood vessels in the eyes, helping to keep vision sharp. How to use. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into your warm baking soda water. This causes a gentle fizz, a natural reaction that helps mix the drink. Tips. Use fresh lemon juice if you can, and organic lemons are best. They tend to have more nutrients and no pesticides. Fresh lemon tastes brighter and healthier. Even if you already put lemon in tea, adding it to this drink can boost your antioxidant intake. By adding lemon, you not only make the baking soda taste better, you also give your body an extra dose of healing vitamin C each morning. Ginger, for circulation and inflammation. Ginger is a warm, spicy root that does more than add zinc. It is known to boost blood flow and calm inflammation. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol that help relax and open blood vessels. This means oxygen and nutrients can reach your eyes, brain, and hands, feet more easily. In a recent scientific study on rats, a ginger extract significantly improved blood flow in the optic nerve, the eye's nerve, even under stress conditions. More blood flow helps keep the retina healthy and your mind alert. How to use. Peel and grate about half a teaspoon of fresh ginger root into the drink. If you don't have fresh ginger, a pinch of pure ginger powder can work instead. Use just enough to taste the gentle heat. Ginger tip. Choose firm, smooth ginger roots. They should feel heavy and snap when broken. Store fresh ginger in the fridge or freeze small pieces. It lasts a long time that way. Ginger also soothes the stomach and can ease morning nausea. Many people say it makes them feel awake and ready for the day. Together with the other ingredients, ginger helps keep blood moving smoothly to your brain and eyes, fighting the slow fires of inflammation. Honey, natural antioxidant and healing immune support. Finally, add raw honey. This sweetener isn't just for taste. It's loaded with antioxidants and healing enzymes. Honey contains flavonoids and polyphenols, powerful antioxidant molecules that help fight cell damage. These help protect the delicate tissues in your eyes from oxidative stress. Honey also has natural anti-inflammatory effects, which can soothe the small blood vessels in your eyes. Many people notice their eyes feel less dry and their energy steadier after adding honey each morning. How to use. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered honey, for example, Manuka or another quality brand. This blends all the flavors together and gives a mild, smooth taste. Honey tip. Avoid highly processed supermarket honey. It often loses nutrients. Raw honey contains natural enzymes and antioxidants. If it crystallizes, gently warm the bottle. It reliquefies without losing benefit. A spoonful of honey also supports your immune system and provides a bit of natural energy. In short, it helps your whole body, eyes, brain, blood vessels, feel nourished from the inside out. How to make the drink, step by step. Follow these easy steps each morning. Warm the water. Heat 8 to 10 ounces of filtered water so it's warm, like warm tea, not scalding. Hot water can break down some nutrients in honey and lemon. Add baking soda. Stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda until it dissolves completely. Your drink is already working to balance pH and reduce inflammation. Mix in lemon juice. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, into the water. It will fizz gently. Stir well. This gives a good dose of vitamin C. Add ginger. Grate half a teaspoon of fresh ginger or a pinch of organic ginger powder into the drink. Stir. You'll smell the spicy scent right away. Stir in honey. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey last and stir until everything is smooth and golden. The honey makes the drink taste mild and adds antioxidants. Take your time sipping it and enjoy the warm, clean flavor. Try to drink it on an empty stomach, ideally 15 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast, so your body can absorb the benefits without food interference. If you prefer, you can also drink it right after waking up. Tips and things to remember. Be consistent. This drink is a gentle habit, not a quick fix. Some people notice feeling a bit more alert or lighter after a week or two. For others, it may take a month to feel changes. The key is doing it every morning to gently support your body. Adjust to taste. If the baking soda tastes too strong, you can start with an even smaller pinch and gradually increase. The lemon and honey help balance the sharpness. Watch your blood pressure. Baking soda contains salt. If you have very high blood pressure, talk to your doctor before starting this. In most people, the small amount, a quarter teaspoon, is unlikely to spike blood pressure, but it's wise to be careful. Stay hydrated. Continue drinking plain water through the day. This morning drink gives your cells a startup drink, but overall hydration keeps eyes and circulation healthy. Not a cure-all. Remember, this is a natural supportive drink. It's not a medicine. Keep up any doctor's advice or prescriptions you have. Think of this as a health boost that may help with common aging complaints, not a guaranteed cure. If you ever feel any discomfort, like stomach upset, stop or reduce the dose and consult a healthcare provider. Some of our bodies, especially if on medication, need a customized approach, so it's okay to seek professional guidance. Why this might help you. Each ingredient in this drink addresses a different part of your health. Baking soda helps reduce hidden inflammation and balances acidity so your cells and blood vessels can work better. Lemon provides vitamin C, a key antioxidant for eye health and blood vessels. Ginger boosts circulation and fights inflammation in tiny vessels. Honey adds extra antioxidants and soothes body tissues. Combined, they form a simple ritual. You give your body a startup drink each day packed with natural support. Many seniors report feeling a bit more clear and more energetic after making this a routine. It's like telling your body, I want to take care of you first thing in the morning. You might notice things slowly improving. Maybe reading labels is a little easier, or your thoughts feel sharper, or your blood pressure numbers stabilize a bit. Even if changes are small, it's about taking back control. This drink is one easy step to help protect your eyes, mind, and vessels as you age. Give it a try for a few weeks. Keep watching how you feel. Remember, sometimes the body needs just a little encouragement, and this warm, natural drink sends a friendly message that you care about it. If you find it helpful, you can keep doing it. You may feel a bit lighter, more focused, and more like yourself again, one sip at a time. Finally, always discuss any new health habit with your doctor, especially if you have ongoing health issues. But if you're looking for a simple, natural change to boost your morning, this drink could be a great place to start. Cheers to your health and clarity, one morning at a time.